Hello, my name is Nico. I'm marketing specialist at EngView Systems, and today I'm with Ina. She's our intern designer at the company, and she's been creating some very cool holiday designs. Also, she's studying in the Netherlands. Her major is industrial design engineering, and she's now part of our family. So, first of all, welcome to the team.
Thank you for having me.
How did you find actually about EngView Systems, and do you like it here?
When I went to study in the Netherlands, I always wanted to return to Bulgaria, my home country, to start my career here. But when I came, it was not that easy. I was sending my CVs everywhere. I was sending emails, and EngView is one of the companies that actually answered and said they wanted me. I got really excited because that allows me to work with professional software and with software specialists, so I can directly get and give feedback from the people creating the thing, which is amazing.
And by the way, we're in the brand new Sirma podcast room. It is located in our headquarters in Sofia. And I would like to ask Ina, what is like to be part of Sirma? It's one of the biggest, maybe if not the biggest IT holding group in Bulgaria.
So I feel the company is very well connected. It's very big. There are so many colleagues that I can meet and so many professionals I can work with and I can learn from.
There is no gap between the management level and the juniors. The communication is very open. And they're very responsive, and they're more than welcome, and they're more than open to help you in difficult times. Do you have any favorite features of EngView Suite, and does anybody in the company help you when creating your projects?
I got a great intro course by Vanya to get started with this.
Shout out to Vanya.
Shout out to Vanya. And then I am usually, when I have questions about the software, I am either asking our support team, very great, or Stoic or Andrea, our other in-house designers. Well, favorite feature in the CAD, it is either the layout and the auto layout feature, which actually allows to save paper in the real world. It gives you like percentages of which layout saves the most paper, which is because I value sustainability really important for me. My other maybe favorite feature is find matching standard. Every time I think, oh, I now have created something innovative, I use this feature to break my own dreams and to start working with real parametric standards.
It also saves time, right?
It definitely saves a lot of time.
So you will be traveling back to the Netherlands, and you will probably see other designers at school and lecturers that are specialized in design. Would you recommend EngView?
I am already in contact with the tutors that teach packaging design in the Hague University. I recommend EngView to them, and I really like that it's free for universities because that gives young professionals, students, access to a professional software so that they can be ready to enter the field seamlessly.
Yes, this is our mission to donate our software in order to develop the young professionals. And we partner with more than 20 universities worldwide, and we're always open to establish new partnerships worldwide. So thanks, Ina, for being here. And if you would like to design fast, accurate, and in 3D preview, check out the EngView Packaging Display Designer.